Hey! In front of me is POCO F4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose apps section and click on app lock. Then choose turn on and create your pattern for apps. Then repeat it and tap on next at the bottom right corner. Over here you can click on sign in and add if you want to add your Me account, or choose not now. If you want to choose not now, you need to wait 5 seconds and tap on not now again in this pop-up. If you wish to lock all of those apps, click on use app lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them. Make sure that 0 is over here and tap on use app lock. Then tap on settings over here if you wish to add your fingerprint as well to unlock your apps. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, and now finally you can tap on the sweater next to an app that you wish to lock. In my case, Amazon Shopping. So now when I click on the sweater next to it and go back, then try to access Amazon app, as you can see pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!